Welcome to the ESChat tutorial on provisioning the Siyata SD7. The Siyata SD7 is a dedicated PTT device, providing customers with walkie-talkie simplicity and the reliability and features of ESChat. This video will demonstrate the SD7 provisioning process, including user creation in the ESChat Admin Portal, and establishing SIM and Wi-Fi network connections. We'll start by creating an SD7 user in the Admin Portal. To begin, log into your portal account. Once in, navigate to the Departments tab and select the desired department. See the Users tab appear. Select the Add button. The Add User window will display. For this demonstration, we will fill out the basic information required to create a new user. For the activation method, select Manual, then input the device-specific IMEI for the SIM card number 1 slot. Select Submit, and the device is now ready to provision. Next, we will demonstrate the SD7 provision process utilizing a SIM card. Begin by turning on the SD7. Press the power button until the green light appears and the device vibrates. Upon powering on, the device will begin the auto-provisioning process, which includes the silent installation of ESChat. Please note that this installation typically takes up to 3 minutes to complete. Once the installation is complete, the device will attempt to sign in automatically using the IMEI number, and the screen will display PTT activating. Upon successful provisioning, ESChat will automatically sign in, and the current channel will be displayed on the screen. The device is now ready for use. Next, we will demonstrate the provisioning process using a Wi-Fi network. To begin, power on the SD7. From the home screen, press the rotary knob once to open the main menu. Rotate the knob clockwise until Network appears on the screen. Then press the knob to select. Within the Network submenu, rotate the knob until Wi-Fi appears. Select Wi-Fi and confirm it is turned on. After confirming Wi-Fi is on, rotate the knob clockwise to display Available Networks. Select Available Networks, then rotate to find the desired network. Select the desired network, then select again for password input. Enter the Wi-Fi password by scrolling through the keyboard and pressing down to make your selection. Be sure to select the checkmark when the password has been entered. Once the SD7 has connected to the network, restart the device by holding down the power button until the device options appear. Then rotate the knob to select Restart. The device will begin the auto-provisioning process, including ESChat installation and cloud server communication. Upon successful completion of provisioning, the currently selected channel will be displayed on the screen. This means your device is ready for use. For additional assistance, contact ESChat Support 24/7, 365.